How many times have you urgently needed a translation, but your phone was locked? Unlocking it, searching for the app, waiting for it to open, all of this wastes precious time, especially when you're on the go. But there is a simple solution, a translate shortcut directly on the lock screen. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a translate shortcut on the iPhone lock screen so you can translate faster than ever, literally with one tap without wasting any time. Here's how. First, on the home screen, find and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Wallpaper section, then tap on it. When you're in the Wallpaper section, you'll see the appearance of your lock screen and home screen. Tap on Lock Screen. After that, on this page, you can change the look of your lock screen, add various widgets, change the clock style, and much more. To add the translate icon to your lock screen, at the bottom of the screen, either on the left or right side, you'll see a plus icon. Tap the plus on the side where you want the translate icon to appear. Immediately after that, a page with various icons will open. Find the translate icon and tap it to add it to your lock screen, so it's always handy when you need it. When you're done, to save the changes, tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. From that moment on, when you are on the lock screen and want to quickly access the translation app, just tap and hold the icon until it enlarges, then release it, and it will immediately take you to the translation app. Now you can start translating right away without waiting or searching for the app on your phone. Whether you're translating speech, text, or want to quickly write and translate something, it's all available in just a few seconds, directly from your lock screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.